Welcome to EiwayShop. Today, we are diving into one of the most classic and alluring makeup looks of all time, the smoky eye. Whether you're getting ready for a night out or just want to add some drama to your everyday look, a perfect smoky eye can be a game changer. We'll guide you through 6 simple steps to achieve this stunning look, ensuring it's flawless and long-lasting. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepping your eyes. Before we dive into the makeup, it's crucial to start with a clean and prepped canvas. This ensures your makeup stays put and looks vibrant all night long. 1. Cleanse and moisturize. Start by cleansing your face and applying a light moisturizer around your eyes. This keeps the delicate skin hydrated and prevents creasing. 2. Eye primer. Apply an eye primer across your eyelids. This step is essential as it creates a smooth base for your eyeshadow, making the colors pop and last longer. If you don't have an eye primer, a bit of concealer can also work. Step 2. Lay the foundation with a base color. The base color sets the stage for your smoky eye, providing a neutral canvas that enhances the depth of the darker shades. 1. Choose a neutral shade. Select a light neutral shade such as beige, taupe, or a soft brown. Use a fluffy eyeshadow brush to apply this color across your entire eyelid, from the lash line to just above the crease. This helps to blend the darker shades more easily and creates a seamless look. 2. Blend. Make sure to blend the base color well to avoid any harsh lines. A smooth transition between colors is key to achieving the perfect smoky eye. Step 3. Build depth with a medium shade. Now that you have your base, it's time to add some depth with a medium shade. This color should be darker than your base, but lighter than your final dark color. 1. Apply to the crease. Use a medium eyeshadow brush to apply the medium shade into the crease of your eyelid. This helps to define the shape of your eyes and adds dimension to the look. 2. Create a V shape. To intensify the look, apply the medium shade in a V shape at the outer corner of your eye. This will add more depth and give your eyes a more dramatic effect. 3. Blend outwards. Blend the medium shade outward to soften the edges and create a gradient effect. This will help your eyes look more natural and less harsh. Step 4. Intensify with a dark shade. This step is where the magic happens. The dark shade is the defining element of your smoky eye, creating that sultry and intense look. 1. Choose a dark color. Select a dark shade like black, charcoal, or deep brown. Use a small, dense eyeshadow brush for precise application. 2. Apply to the outer corner. Start by applying the dark shade to the outer corner of your eye, focusing on the outer V area. This is where the smoky effect is most pronounced. 3. Blend towards the center. Gradually blend the dark shade towards the center of your eyelid, ensuring the color transitions smoothly from dark to light. Use a clean blending brush to soften any harsh lines and create a seamless gradient. Step 5. Highlight and define. Highlighting and defining your eyes adds the final touch to your smoky eye, making your eyes look more open and bright. 1. Inner corner and brow bone. Use a shimmery or light-reflecting shade to highlight the inner corners of your eyes and the brow bone. This adds a pop of brightness and enhances the overall look. 2. Eyeliner. Apply a dark eyeliner along your upper and lower lash lines. For a more intense look, use a pencil eyeliner and smudge it slightly with a small brush or your fingertip. You can also use a gel or liquid liner for a sharper, more defined line. 3. Waterline. To add extra drama, apply the dark eyeliner to your waterline. This step is optional but can really intensify the smoky effect. Step 6. Finish with mascara and lashes. The final step is all about enhancing your lashes to complement your smoky eye. Uncurl your lashes. Start by curling your lashes with an eyelash curler. This opens up your eyes and makes your lashes appear longer and more voluminous. 2. Apply mascara. Apply a generous coat of volumizing and lengthening mascara to your upper and lower lashes. Wiggle the mascara wand at the base of your lashes and sweep upwards to coat each lash evenly. 3. False lashes, optional. For a more dramatic effect, you can apply false lashes. Choose a style that suits the intensity of your smoky eye and follow the instructions for application. Tips for a flawless smoky eye. Blend well. Blending is the key to a perfect smoky eye. Take your time to blend each shade properly to avoid harsh lines and create a seamless gradient. Use quality brushes. Good quality brushes make a significant difference in the application and blending of eyeshadows. Keep it clean. Use a makeup wipe or a cotton swab dipped in makeup remover to clean up any fallout or smudges. Practice. Don't be discouraged if your smoky eye doesn't turn out perfect on the first try. Practice makes perfect, and you'll get better with each attempt. Different variations of the smoky eye. While the classic smoky eye involves neutral tones like black, brown, and gray, there are many variations you can try to suit different occasions and moods. Colorful smoky eye. Experiment with bold colors like purples, blues, and greens for a fun and vibrant twist on the traditional smoky eye. These colors can make your eyes pop and add a playful element to your makeup look. Soft smoky eye. For a more daytime-appropriate look, opt for softer shades like taupes and mauves. This variation is perfect for a subtle yet defined eye look that's suitable for work or casual outings. Glam smoky eye. Add some sparkle and shimmer to your smoky eye for a glamorous touch. Incorporate glittery eyeshadows or a metallic finish to elevate your look for a night out or special event. Monochromatic smoky eye. Stick to shades within the same color family for a cohesive and sophisticated look. For example, using various shades of brown can create a warm and inviting smoky eye. Achieving the perfect smoky eye may seem daunting, but with these simple steps and a bit of practice, you'll be able to master this timeless makeup look. Remember, the key to a flawless smoky eye is blending and building up the color gradually. Don't be afraid to experiment with different shades and techniques to find what works best for you. We hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel inspired to create your own stunning smoky eye looks. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to EiwayShop for more beauty tips and tutorials. Share your smoky eye creations with us in the comments below or on social media. We'd love to see your beautiful looks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful.